Now, subscribe to Bright Duty course at ₹1 per day only. Download Bright Duty app from Play Store and get the online courses prepared by competent and experienced teachers for different education boards of classes 6 to 10. Bright Duty courses are available for the subjects of Math, Science, Social Science, English and Hindi in English and Hindi medium. Bright Duty follows three-step approach, that is learning, assessment and exam preparation. In learning, topic-wise video lectures with explanation of concepts and discussion of textbook examples and questions are available with the solutions. In assessment, topic-wise online MCQ test, practice assignments and chapter-wise question bank are available with the solutions. In exam preparation, previous year's question papers, sample papers and model test papers are available with the solutions. Sign up today on Bright Tuesday and avail your courses at affordable prices.
What is algorithm? Okay, so any steps that we are giving, correct, in an order. Do you know, can you find it a resemblance to what sequencing was? Don't you think they both are same? Sequencing was also doing something in an order, and algorithm is also the set of instructions that we give to the computer. But the basic difference to understand over here is algorithm is the sequence of steps. It involves sequencing in itself. They are the sequence of steps, but with the specific thing, like specific order should be given. Like for example, the example that was taken in the video was all about taking out a toothbrush. But in the first instruction, it was just said, take out a brush. The computer doesn't know which brush, or the robot doesn't know which brush do you want to take in, right? So how that is achieved? To give the specific instruction, what exactly you want, you have to tell the system to do that. Yes, so that's what an algorithm is. Now, who all know how to make Maggie? Most of you know how to make Maggie. So I want all of you to give the algorithm for making a Maggie. Just imagine you are giving instruction to a robot. Okay, just imagine you are giving instruction to a robot that robot has to create some Maggie. And those who are writing on chat, please make sure you are writing all the steps and then pressing enter, because I cannot read out the names, like who said boil water, then who said add Maggi and masala. I want each and every instruction for this. So you have 2 minutes to go for this. Those who are writing the doubts of the previous ones, yes, we are going to discuss it by the end of the session, but I want all of you to work on algorithms, please. Who is this? Atharva Arora, good going. Very good. I am receiving very nice answers, right? Those who are making Maggie without turning on the gas, so you need to tell your computer to turn your gas on. Then only it is going to create Maggie, or else it will not going to create. Yes, Kavya? Okay. So something that I follow. The very first step should be take out a pan. Correct? I need to take a pan first. After that, we need to add 2 cups of water to it and put it on the stove and turn on the gas. Correct? Or the stove. You need to take out a Maggie packet, put the required amount of Maggie in it. If those who are adding oil, add oil in it a little bit. And after that, add some masalas, whatever you want to add, the Maggie masala or whatever you want to add in. Put it there. And after that, what we need to do? Just wait for the Maggie to be cooked. Then turn off the gas, serve, and then eat. Correct. So these are the specific instructions that you need to give to a robot if you want to make a Maggie. What is this? This is actually an algorithm. Algorithm is something that helps you to give stepwise instruction to create anything. Okay, so I am going to share one screen for the definition. I want all of you to write in the definition. Okay, so those who are not having your pen and a paper, kindly get it and make sure that you are writing the definition, which is algorithm and flow chart. So the very first is algorithm. Okay, I'm dictating it right till then. Step by step instructions, algorithm. Okay, it is ALGORITHM. Algorithm. Step by step instructions to perform a task or solve a problem. Okay, so they are the important terms. Algorithms, they are the step by step instructions to perform a task or solve a problem. Those who are taking a picture from phone, they can also take a screenshot on their computers. Just cross check, Akansha. Everyone can see the screen, I guess. Algorithms is step by step instructions to perform a task or solve a problem. I want all of you to write algorithm only. Step by step instructions to perform a task or solve one problem. Okay, so that was one thing. Now moving on to the next topic, which is flow chart. Okay, are we done? Okay, so moving on to flow chart. जैसे हमने एल्गोरिदम सीखा, एल्गोरिदम क्लियर था सबको, स्टेप बाय स्टेप इंस्ट्रक्शंस ही होते हैं एल्गोरिदम के ना। अभी मैं आप लोग को एक और पिक्चर सेंड शेयर करूंगी, which is, you know, just a algorithm only, and that algorithm is the routine that you follow before you go to school, correct? Now over here, what I want you to observe over here is like how we did for Maggie, the step by step instructions. We were writing it in a point wise and the paragraph kind of thing. In this one, can you see that everything is depicted by a picture? I mean, every step is depicted in a picture and with a shape to make it simpler to understand. When an algorithm is represented triagrammatically and with the shapes and all, that is known as your flow chart. Okay, that shows your flow chart. एल्गोरिदम ही है, लेकिन उसको लिखने का तरीका क्या है, हम शेप्स में और उसको एरोज और ये सारी चीजों से मिला के लिखते हैं और उसको दिखाते हैं। क्यों करते हैं? क्योंकि इससे इजी हो जाता है इंटरप्रेट करने के लिए, पढ़ने के लिए। ओके, सो दैट इज योर फ्लो चार्ट. व्हाट इज अ फ्लो चार्ट? द डायग्रामेटिकल रिप्रेजेंटेशन ऑफ एन एल्गोरिदम. अगर हमने मैगी बनाना था तो हमने क्या किया था, मैगी के लिए बहुत सारे स्टेप्स लिखते गए थे ऐसे ही बैक टू बैक. बट इफ अगर फ्लो चार्ट के बारे में बात करेंगे, सो सी, कैन यू सी दैट द फ्लो चार्ट इज इजी टू अंडरस्टैंड रादर देन अ पैराग्राफ? अग्रीड? यस और नो? यस?
Now, subscribe to Bright Duty course at rupees 1 per day only. Download Bright Duty app from Play Store and get the online courses prepared by competent and experienced teachers for different education boards of classes 6 to 10. Bright Duty courses are available for the subjects of Math, Science, Social Science, English and Hindi in English and Hindi medium. Bright Duty follows 3-step approach, that is learning, assessment and exam preparation. In learning, topic-wise video lectures with explanation of concepts and discussion of textbook examples and questions are available with the solutions. In assessment, topic-wise online MCQ test, practice assignments and chapter-wise question bank are available with the solutions. In exam preparation, previous year's question papers, sample papers and model test papers are available with the solutions. Sign up today on Bright Tutor and avail your courses at affordable prices.